Hey everyone, this is Bro Smart, and in this video I will show you 5 best wallpaper apps of the month of October. So without any further ado, let's get started. Splasheet is no nonsense talk to business type wallpaper app. Open the app and set a photo as your wallpaper. It is that simple. The app design is also simple with 3 sections, one for newly added wallpapers, second for top wallpapers, and third is for the category section. Now this is on number 5 because some photos are great and other lacks in quality. Splasheet has a huge potential to become one of the best wallpaper app if the developers uploads high quality photos in future. Wallplay wallpaper or wallpaper 4K is a complete package of HD wallpapers. The interface is designed perfectly. On opening the application, you will be welcomed by the list of categories. You have to choose one from this endless list. It's really difficult. There are so many good high quality wallpapers that it's going to be very hard to choose a single wallpaper. You can zoom out of a photo if you want to make it full screen and vice versa. These crispy wallpapers make my phone's display look better, and if you have a phone with 1080p display, then you should definitely download the Wallplay application from the link in the description below. Typography wallpapers are the best place to find motivational quotes in general, and typography wallpapers. I always loved the text wallpapers, and this typography wallpaper application won my heart. It's a new wallpaper app on Play Store and has a limited number of wallpapers, but all these wallpapers are great and I hope the developers will add more wallpapers in future. Just look at this wallpaper. The quality is so high that the red color looks so amazing. So for awesome text wallpapers, check out typography app now. We all love superhero wallpapers, am I right? Introducing the new superhero wallpaper app. It has a ton of wallpapers of both Marvel and DC superheroes, from Captain America to Iron Man. It has a simple interface with hundreds of amazing wallpapers. The photos are high in quality and some are even in 4K resolution. You will get options for 4K and 1080p HD resolutions. Choose according to your phone's screen resolution. There are a lot of wallpapers to explore and set as your home wallpaper. Papers is the new addition to my favorite wallpaper apps list. What a cool app design, and of course have tons and tons of great wallpapers. Here as you can see, there's a featured category on top, and below that there are all the categories for you to choose. Right below that we have these wallpapers that are added to papers recently, from dark AMOLED to iPhone SX wallpapers. Everything is there in this app. The thing I did like the most is that you can customize the wallpapers. No, I'm not talking about changing the colors and all, but you can actually increase the blur. This is a feature that we don't usually see in other wallpaper apps. I really like the Papers wallpaper Android app, and it is the best wallpaper app for the month of October. These were my top 5 wallpaper app of 2018. What's your favorite wallpaper app? Comment below now, I would love to know that. Subscribe, drop a like, and also ring the bell icon for more interesting videos just like this one. So as always, thank you so much for watching. This is Bro Smart. I will catch you guys in my next video.